Advanced ISO certification framework for firefighting pump manufacturers and supply chain ecosystem. Welcome to this technical session on ISO certification for firefighting pump manufacturers and their supply chain partners. In high risk infrastructure such as fire protection systems, performance reliability, regulatory compliance, and traceability are mission critical. Fire pumps operate under emergency conditions where failure tolerance is virtually zero, making standardized systems essential. This session will provide a deep technical perspective on how ISO standards integrate with manufacturing engineering, supply chain controls, and compliance frameworks to ensure repeatable performance, audit readiness, and global market acceptance. We will also outline how URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited enables structured implementation across complex industrial ecosystems. Section 1, Engineering Criticality of Firefighting Pumps. Firefighting pumps are governed by stringent performance expectations defined in standards such as NFPA 20, installation of stationary pumps for fire protection, UL/FM approval requirements, hydraulic performance curves, and duty point validation. From an engineering standpoint, these systems must ensure hydraulic reliability, accurate flow versus head performance under variable load conditions, mechanical integrity, shaft alignment, bearing life, seal reliability, material traceability, compliance with metallurgical specifications for impellers, casings, and shafts, system integration, compatibility with diesel engines, electric motors, and control panels. Common technical risks observed in the industry include variability in casting quality, machining tolerances, inadequate performance testing or calibration errors, lack of documented inspection checkpoints, supply chain inconsistencies in critical components. These risks directly impact system failure probability, which ISO frameworks aim to minimize through structured controls. Section 2, ISO certification as a process control architecture. ISO standards should be understood not as compliance checklists but as process control architectures. They introduce PDCA, plan, do, check, act cycles for controls improvement, risk-based thinking aligned with FMEA, failure mode, and effective analysis, documented information systems ensuring traceability and accountability. For fire pump manufacturing, this translates into controlled design inputs and validation protocols, standardized manufacturing work instructions, calibration and maintenance of test equipment, inspection and testing checkpoints aligned with critical to quality parameters. ISO systems create closed-loop feedback mechanisms, ensuring deviations are detected, analyzed, and corrected systematically. Section 3, Deep dive into core standards. ISO 9001 Quality Management Systems (QMS). ISO 9001 establishes a process-driven quality architecture. Technical implementation includes design and development control, verification of hydraulic design, CFD validation if applicable, and prototype testing. Incoming quality control (IQC), vendor material certification, chemical composition validation, dimensional inspection. In-process quality control (IPQC), machining tolerances, assembly checks, torque specifications. Final inspection and testing, hydrostatic pressure testing, performance curve validation, NPSH verification. Now advanced practices, statistical process control (SPC), root cause analysis using tools like 8D or Fishbone, CAPA corrective and preventive action systems. Now ISO 14001 Environmental Management Systems (EMS). For pump manufacturers, environmental aspects include foundry emissions and waste management, coolant and oil disposal from machining processes, energy consumption in testing facilities. ISO 14001 requires identification of environmental aspects and impacts, legal compliance mapping, resource efficiency optimization. Technical measures may include effluent treatment systems, energy efficient motor testing setups, waste segregation and recycling protocols. Now ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety (OH&S). Manufacturing environments involve heavy rotating equipment, high pressure testing systems, material handling risks. ISO 45001 enforces hazard identification and risk assessment (HIRA), lockout, tagout, LOTO procedures, PPE compliance and safety training, incident investigation and corrective action. This reduces downtime and ensures workforce reliability. Then next is IATF 16949 Advanced Quality for OEM Supply Chains. For manufacturers supplying to OEMs or infrastructure projects, IATF introduces APQP, Advanced Product Quality Planning, PPAP, Production Part Approval Process, MSA, Measurement System Analysis, control plans and traceability systems. This is particularly relevant where fire pumps are integrated into large-scale industrial or automotive infrastructure projects. Section 4. Supply Chain Quality Engineering. A fire pump is only as reliable as its weakest component. Critical supply chain elements include castings, bearings, mechanical seals, motors and controllers. ISO-driven supply chain control includes supplier audits and qualification criteria, vendor rating systems based on quality performance, best traceability and material certification, incoming inspection protocols aligned with risk classification. Advanced organizations implement digital ERP-based traceability, supplier corrective action systems (SCAR), long-term vendor development programs. This ensures end-to-end quality consistency. Section 5. Audit Readiness and Compliance Engineering. ISO certification requires organizations to demonstrate documented procedures and records, objective evidence of compliance, internal audit programs, management review mechanisms. From a technical audit perspective, focus areas include calibration records for test benches, performance test reports, non-conformance logs and CAPA closure, training competency matrices. Audit readiness is achieved when systems are standardized, documented, repeatable, continuously improved. Section 6. Strategic and Market Advantages. ISO certified organizations gain access to global tenders and regulated markets, increase acceptance in EPC and government projects, stronger OEM partnerships, reduced life cycle costs through quality optimization. Certification becomes a strategic asset, not just a compliance requirement. Now Section 7. URGS Implementation Approach. At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, our methodology includes gap analysis aligned with ISO clauses, process mapping and documentation development, on-site implementation support, internal auditor training, pre-certification audit and final certification coordination. We focus on practical implementation, ensuring systems are not just documented but actively used and sustained. If your organization is aiming to achieve high reliability manufacturing, robust compliance, and global competitiveness, ISO certification is a critical step. Connect with us. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. Let us engineer quality, safety, and compliance into every component of your fire protection systems. Thank you for joining us. Please like and subscribe our channel.